How to remove Peugeot 508 2010 to 2018 center dash air vents and the radio navigation display. Now with a plastic tool we will need to remove this trim. I recommend using plastic so don't damage the dash. I do use a metal clip remover, but I do not recommend that as you can damage it if you're not careful. This trim is only held on by clips, so you'll need to go all the way, removing the clips as you go, and then you can use your hands as well. Once this trim is off, what holds the center dash air vents is 2 torx screws on either side, and then at the bottom it will be clipped on. So again, with our plastic tool we'll get in between the vents and the dash and then detach the clips, and then we'll come right off. As for the display, it's held on by torx screws on all 4 corners. And then once these screws are off, what's left to do is to unplug the display. There are 2 plugs. What you'll need to do on this one is push in and then pull out to unclip the plug. And then the second one, push that down and then pull as well. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe.